And now here are some of the important documents or information you need to have handy in order for you to be able to create an account with grade.co and without issues. So first of all, you need to have an email address. Your email is very important. And then you also need to have a phone number, because at some point they're going to be asking you to input your phone number. And then you also need to craft a very strong password. All of that I will lead you through the process of doing that. And then you also need your means of identification. So you will be needing an ID card. And now for grade, you can either use your international passport, you can use your driver's license, you can also use your NIN for Nigerians. I hope you know that. And then you can also use your voter's card for the process of the registration. And one of the documents that they also require is your bank statement. This you can get from any of your banks that you've been using. For me, most times I use OPay for such purposes. But if you have any other bank, you just need to get a one-page PDF of your bank statement. So once you have all of these things available with you, then you will be able to commence the process, and then you'll be able to sign up on the account without issues. And then as for your, let's say you're going to be using your voter's card for this purpose, you will need to snap it and then have it ready with you, so that whenever there's an option for you to upload it, you will be able to upload that without issues. So these are some of the things that we'll be needing to be able to set up an account successfully on grade.co without issues. So now we are going to go right to the next step, which I'm going to be showing you a step-by-step process on how you can set up your grade.co account. See you on the inside.